The location is of Necklace Point near Bhor. The place is located south of Pune near Bhor. It's 44 km from Chandni Chowk. The plan was to beat the heat, start early and cycle to this point and return before midday. Vidyasagar created the FB post and the WhatsApp group, and group of enthusiastic people joined and were all set to start the ride. It's 4:40 am in the morning and I've started from Pimpri. We'll meet the group riders at Wakhad, Pashan and Chandni Chowk. Along with them, we'll finally meet everyone at the new Katraj Tunnel. At this time, the road looks lonely and peaceful, good for a cyclist. People started joining on the route and we were progressing in the dark towards Chandni Chowk. After a good hard push, we rushed to Chandni Chowk and pedaled ahead to reach the Katraj Tunnel. Ambegaon Lake is a very nice place, especially to be here. The sunrise is a beautiful experience. Paused for a while to catch up with my breath and get ready for the grind ahead of the Katraj Tunnel. This elevation is mild but long and test your perseverance. Finally met with the rest of the group at the Katraj Tunnel and we continue to the next stop along the Pune-Bangalore highway.
We stopped briefly at Kapur Hole and took a turn right, leaving the highway towards Bhor. The road to the Bhor was small but had a nice cold breeze and a pleasant atmosphere. It was fun cycling there.
We had a short introduction to each other and it was interesting to know people of all ages with their interesting stories. After a nice time, we started back to Pune as it was going to be a fight with the raging sun and the crouching traffic. We refueled ourselves with vada pav and garam chai and marched towards Pune. It was a bit tiring ride at the end once sun was at its peak and the headwind slowing us, but the enthusiasm made sure everyone reached home safely.